Have you ever made a friend online you've never met? In an online game, Ollie and Sara became best buddies. Every night, they'd team up, share jokes, and just talk for hours. They were inseparable, even though they lived miles apart. One evening, Ollie noticed Sara wasn't her usual self. She was quiet, making mistakes in the game. When he asked if she was okay, Sara confessed she felt really lonely outside of their digital world. That's when Ollie had an idea. The next day, instead of logging on, he went out and helped clean up a local park. Inspired, Sara spent the afternoon helping her brother with his homework. They shared pictures later, not of high scores, but of real-life smiles. They learned that their friendship wasn't just about screens and headsets. It was about caring and pushing each other to be better, both online and offline. True connection goes beyond the game.